What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Gala Games coin. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that, as you can see, we hit the golden pocket pattern. It is the most probable range of trend reversal, and let me show you that if I make this tool a little bit longer, as you can see, we hover perfectly well around these ranges. We had the first bounce from the golden pocket from the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement level right here and had decent bounce to the upside, but we didn't hold the position and we went slightly lower than this range, and this line represents the bullish divergence that I marked previously on my previous video. As you can see, we had higher lows on our side with the lower lows on the price action. On top of that, we had a very good decrease in a negative momentum of this asset, and we still have another one. Let me show it to you right here, this bottom and this bottom, and it also shows us that this asset is losing its negative momentum, and we started to tick to the upside, and with this movement we have a decent volume. It is not the perfect one, and I prefer to see much higher volume, but still we have about let me show it to you, about 10% during just a couple of days, and it is quite good movement. So, and let's continue with the fundamentals. First of all, let me show you that we are sitting at $1.96 trillion of total market cap. It is a small increase of 0.8% over the last day. And as you can see, on 24 hours period, we have several coins that are in green, and several of them are in red, still in red. And during 7 days period, the majority, basically all of the coins, except Chainlink, is in the red territory, and this means we still not out of the woods, and that's why we have to be cautious. So let's continue with the Gala numbers. For now, it has $2.27 billion of total market cap. It's up for about 2.55% during the last 24 hours. And the total tradable volume is $400.59 million, and it's lower for about 11.64%. So, as you can see, the volume is still very low compared to the volume that we had previously on this movement to the upside, and that's why we are not out of the woods. So let me show you that on their official Twitter page, they didn't post any new tweets related fundamentally to this company. They just posted another tweet about the event in Japan that was on January the 8th. And if you type in Google search bar Gala Games News and switch to News tab folder, you won't see any recent news fundamentally related to this company. And with this lack of news, definitely we are experiencing the lack of volume, and this lack of volume definitely leads to lower prices. So let me show you that on their official website we have a lot of interesting points. We have a bunch of games that you can play, and also you can buy some good stuff for these games. And right here you have the news section, and this section has almost daily updates, and you can find several articles, several recent articles right here, and I will put the link on these articles in the description below. It is not so important for the broader audience, but it is quite important for the audience of Gala Games token. And let me show you this website. We are on appwisdom.io, and this website tracks the activity around the Reddit communities related to different assets. And if you switch to Cryptos tab folder, right here you can find on the 56th place you can find the Gala token, and previously it was below this level by 61 rows, and it is still not the biggest number of mentions. It has only 13 of them. And this means this asset doesn't have much news that might drive it to higher prices. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you in details this movement, and we didn't have a good bounce from this range which I marked previously, but instead of this we have another bullish divergence, and we have this higher lows, and we have basically triple lower lows on the price action. And this means the chance that we might have a bounce is increasing for now, and definitely nothing is guaranteed in the technical analysis, but we have much more chances to have at least a bounce for the next couple of days. And let me show you that this bounce might be up to, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom to retrace the entire movement, we might hit the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. It is the price point of 36 cents, or even 0.382 level, and it is the range of about 40 cents. So I think it is quite decent price targets, but still I don't encourage you to enter your swing trade position, because we have to have more confirmations and we have to have more volume with this movement to the upside. Instead of swing trades, let me show you the bigger picture. If I switch to daily time frame, let me show you, and let me clean the chart a little bit. As you can see right here, we have a major accumulation point for those of you who want to invest in this asset. And next one, as I already mentioned, will be right here at the ranges of about 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And it is a confluence with 1.618 extension in the C wave compared to A wave. And the range in between 27.8 cents to 23.7 cents might be next accumulation point if you want to invest in this asset and if you already done your own due diligence. And don't get me wrong, guys, I'm still bullish on this asset, and I think this movement to the downside is the result that we don't have enough news from Metaverse and major news from upcoming partnerships with Gala Games and potentially announcements of new games, major games, and that's why we have this movement to the downside. But all in all, if the Metaverse will continue its growth, in this case all of these gaming tokens will skyrocket and will hit their all-time highs. But as usual, we have to be extremely cautious because it is very risky assets. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!